Hello, I'm going to take you through how to use our Freestyle AI voice notes feature. Freestyle will listen in on your appointment or exam and create a transcript of what it hears. It then creates a set of notes using the information from the transcript. When using Freestyle, you can choose to use a loose note framework such as exam, treatment, or emergency, which makes it a great flexible solution, especially for emergencies. Or you can have Freestyle follow the structure of any of your Kiroku templates, which is great if you want your notes to always follow the exact same format, or if you're wanting a bit more control over the structure of your Freestyle notes. Freestyle can be used to listen in on a whole appointment, part of an appointment, or you can dictate a summary afterwards. Let's jump in. Freestyle will always be the first appointment at the top of your notes dashboard here in the top left corner. If we select this is what you will see. To start your appointment, hit the microphone button here, and you'll begin to see your transcript generate in the sidebar. I'm going to add a quick summary of an appointment now. Routine examination today. Patient reports intermittent sensitivity from the lower right when eating sweet foods. Composite filling appointment to be arranged with routine examination and bite wings again in 6 months. Now that my transcript is complete, I'm going to hit stop. And now I can select the loose framework or template I would like to use. For this, I'm going to use my basic exam template. I can then select the level of detail and ask it to write my notes. Now my notes have generated, I can see it nicely broken down into different sections of my template. If I want to adjust any of the information, I can just click in and make adjustments to the information. You'll see in the AI editor, there are a couple of clarifying questions that I might want to answer to add further detail to my notes. When I'm happy with my note, I just press copy notes. This will copy to my clipboard and I can paste it to my practice file. I'm going to give you a quick demo now of how to use Freestyle for a recall appointment. So when we open up our Freestyle appointment like this, you'll see that there's this toggle here where you can select to transcribe or add context. If we select this add context, you'll be shown these two boxes, one for other notes, and below that there is a box to paste previous appointment notes. The other notes box is more or less just for adding nurse's notes additionally to the transcript. But the key one that we will be wanting for this recall is this previous appointment notes below. So I'm going to paste in my notes from this patient's previous appointment. Now I can just add a transcript or recording with the relevant information from this recall appointment. Patient attended for a recall appointment and no particular points of concern today. There's a few updates though, one that they have reduced their smoking down to just 5 cigarettes a day, and they are also now consistently using interdental brushes. Great. Now that I've done that, I'm just going to leave it as the auto appointment type, detailed because that's my preference, and ask it to write my notes. So here we can see my note has generated, and we have a few updates based on the changes that I noted. So we can see that they are now smoking 5 cigarettes a day, where this was previously 15. And we can also see in the dental history that interdental cleaning has now been noted, that it's consistent. Everything else remains the same as the previous note that I added in. So yeah, that's a really quick, easy way to use Freestyle for a recall. This is the basics of using Freestyle. Please let us know if you need any further support or have any questions about this feature.